Hello everyone, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to use OpenAI with PHP. We are going to learn from creating a simple project that can generate 3 Facebook captions for marketing for us. Alright, for example, this is our application. The UI is not look good, but it works. For example, I'm going to generate 3 Facebook captions for shoe. Over here, I click on generate. And then I will get the output like this. You will see step into new season with our collection of stylish shoes. Shop now and get 10% off your first purchase, and it gives you hashtag shoe store. This is the second captions that is provided to you. And this is the third one. What if I want to generate for like something like a burger? I click on generate. I will get 3 captions for Facebook, right? It's really cool application, and you can even generate image over here. For example, I want to generate burger image. I click on generate. Alright, let's talk about the development tools that we are going to use to develop these projects. The first one, you need to install SAM to set up PHP environment development. You have to make sure you can download SAM over here. Go to SAM. Go to here and click download if you use Windows and install it on your computer. The installation is pretty simple. You just click next until it's done. Alright, the next software that you are going to use is Composer. We use Composer to install PHP library. Okay, make sure that you uninstall Composer on your computer as well. Go to download over here, and then you can download exe files over here. And click on the files when it's done download, and just click next until it's done. The third software that you need is Visual Studio Code. This one we use for text editor or code editor. Okay, you can download this from this URL. And OpenAI, you really need OpenAI as well. You go to this website, you go to API, you sign up, create an account. I have created an account, so if you can create an account, you will get free trials for like $300 or something. I don't know, the policy might change, but you will get free trial. Because I've used all free trials, so I have to pay for this application. And you can go to personal over here, and then you can go to view key. You can create new secret key over here. You just copy this key and use it with your application. This is all the setting. You can see how much that you use this API over here. You can keep track of your using AI API over here. This is all. Okay, when you install SAM, you can go to SAM control panel over here. And you have to start Apache server. I'm going to stop it because I have started it. Okay, I start it again. Make sure this one start because you want to access to localhost. Okay, the next step, let's go to drive C. Okay, and then go to SAM folder over here and go to HDocs. Okay, let's create a new folder over here. I'm going to name it PHP AI app. Okay, it can be uppercase or lowercase. It doesn't matter. Okay, let's open this folder with Visual Studio Code. You just drag and drop this folder into Visual Studio Code icon over here, and this window will pop up. And then let's create the first PHP files over here. Let's name it index.php. Okay, I'm going to create HTML structure over here, and let me create our first PHP tag over here. Let's print it out. Echo hello PHP. Okay, save it, and then you open your web browser, and if you go to localhost and name of this folder PHP AI app, okay, PHP AI app, hit enter, you will see hello PHP over here, which is this code. I want you to go to terminal, new terminal. Let's check if you have installed Composer successfully. Type Composer -- version and hit enter. it will show Composer version over here if you've installed Composer on your computer. Alright, the next step, we are going to install SDK PHP library for OpenAI. Okay, let's go to OpenAI. Okay, you go to AI and you go to Docs over here. Alright, it will tell you over here how to use this quick start. You might go to library, and if you scroll down, you will see PHP over here. So they recommend you use this library. Okay, I'm going to click over here. It will redirect to packages. Over here, you can click here to see GitHub. Okay, this is how you install this document. You can read it. If you don't want to read it, I'm going to teach you how to use it. Alright, let's copy this one to install the package into our project. Paste this over here. Okay, hit enter. Okay, after it have installed, you will see Composer folder over here, and you will see the name of the package that we've just installed. And the next step, we are going to create a form, okay, for PHP application. Let me create a form over here. This is the form that we can input information. For example, over here, let me create div, and then I'm going to type h1 over here. Over here, I will write writing 3 Facebook marketing caption. Okay, 4. And over here, let me create new div. Okay, let's create form over here. And then let's create div over here. And over here, I'm going to put input type, text, and then name. Name is prompt. You can name it whatever you want, but when you access to this input, you have to use the same name. Okay, and then over here, placeholder. I'm going to like for shoe, burger, exaggerate. Okay, and over here, let's create new div, and then let's input type submit. Okay, and value I put is generate. Okay, and let's take a look at our application. Okay, let's go to localhost and then PHP AI app and enter. You will get something like this. Let me put break line. Okay, and then let me go back here and refresh. I can refresh this page. Okay, this is our UI. So we have UI right now. So we are going to create a new file over here and name it ai.php. Okay, when we submit this form, when we click on this button, okay, I want to use action, we will send this information to these files. Okay, then we put the file's name ai.php, and method that we use to submit information is post. So we use post over here. When we access to the information, we have to use post. Okay, let me create PHP tag over here, and then let me echo post. Okay, prompt. Okay, save. And if I go back here and if I refresh, if I enter something over here like shoe and generate, I will get shoe over here, which is the code over here. Okay, let's remove this one. Go back to this documentation. So this is how you can use this. The first one, you need to include autoload into PHP files, so you can use this library. You can copy the code. You can type it. Okay, let's type it together. Require dr, okay, dot, and then we go to folder vendor autoload, so we can load package.json over here. Then we are going to use this library. Use Ohanaday and OpenAI. Let me copy. I'm so lazy. Let me copy this one. Okay, we copy it and put this over here. Okay, the next step, we have to copy this one. So I will explain you line by line. Okay, this one is to load the key from our application. So where you can get the key, I have talked about this before. You go to OpenAI and then go to personal and then go to view API key. Okay, I will remove this key and let me create no key. I will copy it. You can use the same key with me because I will delete it after I finish these projects. Make sure that you use your own key. So I will put the key directly over here because I don't want to waste time setting up environment variable. Okay. And the next step, over here, we can create new OpenAI objects by using this key. Okay. Okay, let's type it out together. Okay. All right. We create OpenAI variable, OpenAI equal to new this object. Okay. We call this object. And then we pass the key to the object. Okay. Okay, the next step, we are going to create a prompt variable. Okay. We receive data from post and prompt. Okay. The next step, I'm lazy to type again. I'm going to copy this one and put this over here. Okay. This model is our update. We are going to use new model. Let's go to overview. Let's go to documentation of OpenAI and then go to model over here. So the model we are going to use is GPT-3, which is this model. This is the latest model. You can copy it and then you just paste it over here. All right, this is the model that we are going to use. For the prompt, we are going to create a prompt over here. So the prompt is what you want your AI to do. So I want it to write 3 marketing Facebook caption for what? For this prompt. Okay. I just connect it with this variable. Okay, and this one I change to capital letter Facebook. Temperature, you can set it. If you increase the value, it will be more randomness. Okay, token, how long the text output you want to generate. Over here, I want is to generate only 150. And this is frequency penalty is about a word repetition. So if you increase it, it will increase word repetition. Okay. And this one is presence penalty is about topic repetition. Okay, you can increase it, lower it, adjust it, fine tune it by yourself. And if we follow the documentation over here, we can validate the complete output over here. All right. Okay, let's try the application again. Refresh, go to this URL and then type shoe, hit generate. Okay, this is the output. Okay, this is the output that we get. Choice here. This is the output. It's just only 69 tokens. I'm going to extract output from complete. So we have to convert this to JSON. Okay, let me declare variable response. And then let me call JSON decode function. And then let me pass complete over here. Okay, this complete. Pass it here. And set this one to true. And then I will get response text from here and then respond. And we access to choice, this one, right? And then array 0 with this array 0 and text array 0 and text. Okay, let me create HTML structure over here. Okay, let me put output over here, and over here I can put div and show PHP over here, print out PHP. Okay, I can use this to respond over here. Save. And if I go back here, I generate it again. You will see I will get output like this. I'm going to use CSS to style this tag to break a new line here. I want it to break a new line. So what I can do, I can go here and I put styles, put class over here. I put output text. Okay, let me call class over here. Output over here. I will put white space, break space. Okay, over here I will put h1 output of 3 Facebook marketing captions. For over here we can type for prompt. Okay, show prompt. Save it. Alright, if you go back here and let's refresh, generate it again. Okay, you will get 3 Facebook caption over here. Alright, this works so good. The next thing, we are going to generate image instead of text. Okay, to generate image, I can put HR over here. So let me copy this one and put it over here. And over here, I will change it to image generation by AI. Okay, and over here, I will copy these files and paste it over here. I change this one to image -AI. Okay, and then over here, when somebody click on this form, I want is to send information or prompt to image-AI. Image-AI. Okay, and this one can be prompt as well, and this one generate image. Okay, save, and if you go back to our application, we refresh it, you will see image generation by AI over here. So let's take a look at documentation how to generate image together. So in order to generate image, you have to scroll down to see how you can create image. Over here, create image. So you have to use this one. You have to call image instead of completion. You call this one image. Okay, and then this one, you can copy this parameter. Okay, and replace this over here. Okay, and let me delete this one, and let me comment this one, and if you wadam this one, okay, complete wadam it, you will see the URL of the image that generated by AI. Okay, let's go back here, refresh here again, and put like burger, click generate image. See, you will see URL over here. So how you can access to this URL, I will show you. Alright, we have to convert this one complete to be JSON object. Okay, this is how you can convert it. Alright, let's create HTML tag over here, HTML5. Okay, let me show out or print out image. Let me create div over here. And h1 here is your image generated by AI. Okay, let's create a div over here. So we get JSON objects from response over here. Okay, over here I will create image tag, image source. Okay, close this tag. So the image is in URL, right? We put response over here, and then is in data over here. So we put data over here, and is in 0 array over here. So index array of 0. So we put 0 over here, and then is in URL. Okay, put URL over here. Alright, this should be good. If we go back here, we refresh the page, and I want it to generate shoe image. Click generate image over here. What? Why is generate cat image for me? Let's try it again. Oh, I forget to change this one, the prompt over here. Okay, I will change it for to be like prompt over here. Okay, let me refresh this one and let me put shoe again and generate image. So it will take this word and send to AI. I want to generate shoe image. Can you generate for me? It will generate for you. You can adjust the image size over here as well. Just put what size do you need from AI. And over here, if you want to adjust the prompt, you can put like image, like shoe image. Over here, I can cat with other text for Facebook marketing. Okay, save it and let's refresh over here. Burger. Let's generate image for Facebook marketing. See, this is the burger for Facebook marketing. So you can adjust the resolution, the size of the image over here. Yeah, you can play with the prompt. The prompt is really important for you. What kind of prompt that you put into this parameter will affect your output directly. Alright, if you like this video, feel free to click like, subscribe, and comment down below. Thank you so much for watching.